Welcome to CodePulse AI. In this video, we will focus on Python's output and the print function. The print function is essential for displaying output in Python. You can use it to output text, numbers, and the results of calculations. By default, each print statement will display its output on a new line. For example, hello and welcome will appear on separate lines. Remember, when printing text, it must be enclosed within quotes. You can use either double quotes or single quotes. Both are valid in Python. To avoid a new line after printing, you can use the end parameter. For instance, print hello end equals, followed by print world, will output hello world on a single line. Unlike text, numbers are printed without any quotes around them. The examples here show how to print simple integers. You can also perform mathematical calculations directly inside the print function. Python will calculate the result and then print it. To mix text and numbers in a single print statement, separate the different elements with commas. The output will combine the elements, inserting a space between them. Here are the key takeaways from this video. Print displays output. Use quotes for text, no quotes for numbers, and use end to keep output on the same line. Now it's time to practice. Try printing your name and age, combining text and numbers, and using the end parameter to control spacing. Now let's see how this works with a practical demonstration. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to CodePulse AI for more coding tutorials.